Hi, so this is our touch screen. In settings down here, we have a number of possible options here within the touch screen. So we can add and adjust recipes in the recipes. We can change the time and the date. We can disable a chamber, so if for example, if a belt fell off on the right chamber, we can disable the right chamber and they can continue to cook on the left side. We have logs, which tells us if there's been any faults. Obviously this is a new oven, so it has no faults, but it's the first thing a serviceman would check. We have configuration, which is a setup for an oven, timing for how long the water may fill or how long the wash cycle is. Roastrunner oven. This is a mechanical door that we open. Inside we have this is called the gantry. It's a gas ram assisted open with a free spin chicken holder, but I'd like to show you inside the oven. So inside the oven we have a heavy bank of elements over here, and we have 3 thermocouples within the oven. The thermocouples take the temperature within each zone so that you have a very even heat. You also have a fan behind each of these grills which blows the hot air from the elements straight onto the chickens at every layer of rack. So the base of the chamber, we always have a small amount of water in the base of the chamber. It serves 2 purposes. One, to generate a gentle steam off of the floor, and secondly, all the debris from the cooking birds falls into water, so it doesn't burn on the base of the chamber and reduces the fire hazard. So the base of the oven floor, the front of the oven floor, we have a grate here that drains the oven. As I said previously, we have a centimetre of water on the oven floor at all times, and it changes that water throughout the back. So here we have the catch basket. So this is removable. This sits in front of the grate, and there is a one-way flap on it here. And over here you'll see a spray that can push all the rubbish that goes to the drain into the catch basket, and this is removed at the end of day for cleaning. As the chickens are cooking, the fat drops into the water. The water is drained down the drain about every 50 minutes, and all of the water and the fat is taken into the fat separator here. Now the operator does not need to touch this fat separator. It sorts itself out. It separates the fat from the water, releases the water down the drain only, and gathers the fat. End of day, when the wash button is selected, it evacuates the fat into this bucket under here, which is simply on a draw mechanism. It is pulled out and emptied by the staff and washed and replaced.